Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attends three-day annual conference of DGPs and IGPs. Meghalaya celebrates Statehood Day. Governor highlights state development in last several years. Voice of People's Party launches party symbol at Smith Village. And hoardings of political parties removed following enforcement of Model Code of Conduct. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today attended the three-day annual conference of DGPs and IGPs. The meeting began in New Delhi yesterday in a hybrid format. Home Minister Amit Shah chaired the conference on the opening day. About 100 invitees, including DGPs of states and union territories and heads of Central Armed Police Forces and Central Police Organizations, are attending the conference in person. The conference is to discuss a wide range of issues, including cybercrime, technology and policing, counter-terrorism challenges, left-wing extremism, capacity building and prison reforms. Meghalaya is celebrating its 51st Statehood Day today. An official function to celebrate the occasion was held at State Central Library in Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, the Governor of Meghalaya, Brigadier B.D. Mishra, said Shillong has been an important centre for education in Northeast and government has initiated the upgradation of elementary, secondary and higher secondary schools throughout the state. The Governor also said efforts are on to upgrade and build roads and different districts of the state. Governor also handed over Meghalaya Day Award 2023 on the occasion. Sweetie Monrinja was awarded with Uti Rot Singh Award for Arts and Literature, while Dr. Jennifer Basayamut was awarded Ba Togan Sangma Award for Social Services and Klingson D. Marak was awarded Ukyang Nangba Award for Sports and Games. President Draupadi Murmu has also attended her greetings on the Statehood Day of Manipur, Meghalaya and Tripura.
The state capital of Meghalaya has always been an important center for education in Northeast. In an effort to give effective impetus to the education sector, we have initiated the upgradation of elementary, secondary and higher secondary schools throughout the state.
West Jant Hills District Administration today joined hands in celebrating the 51st Statehood Day in July. B.S. Solia, Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police Bikram Marak and other officials were present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, B.S. Solia called for cooperation from all officers of various line departments of the district for smooth conduct of the election. Similarly, Patharkhma Civil Subdivision also observed the 51st Statehood Day of Meghalaya. Addressing the auspicious occasion, Sub-Divisional Officer in charge of Patharkhma Civil Subdivision, M.B. Tongper, has expressed his immense pleasure to commemorate the statehood for the first time after the Patharkhma Civil Subdivision got the status of Civil Subdivision.
So we sit here and we appreciate this day. I mean, we do not think much, but there was a lot of struggle back then, you know, to get a state. To get a state is not a joke. It's not a big thing. Our leaders, our forefathers, they had to fight big time. So today we commemorate, you know, all the struggles, all the efforts that they have made for us to celebrate this day.
The Voice of People's Party today launched its symbol at Smith Village. VPP President Arden Basayamut and other leaders were also present on the occasion. The VPP is a new entrant in Meghalaya politics as the state is heading for assembly polls in February. A large number of party supporters were also present on the occasion. Following the enforcement of Model Code of Conduct in Meghalaya, the Election Commission officials are removing the banners, hoardings and advertisements of different political parties from throughout the state. Under the MCC, district election officers will have to undo the defacement of government property within 24 hours of the announcement of the elections. The deadline in the case of the defacement of public property and misuse of public space is 48 hours and that of private property is 72 hours. The political parties had spent huge amount of money in these promotions. With an aim to bring the unity among the Karbi community in Meghalaya and to preserve their own identity in Meghalaya, the All Meghalaya Karbi Association held its 48th annual conference at Solia village in Riboy district. The executive member of Karbi Anglang Autonomous Council, Sirya Rongpar, graced the annual conference as the chief guest. The annual conference was also enthralled by traditional dances and songs performed by the Karbi youths from different villages of Riboy. Another weather report. The maximum temperature was 16.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 4.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 56%, while in the evening was 68%. Forecast dry weather is most likely. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. Here's a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attends 3-day annual conference of DGPs and IGPs. Meghalaya celebrates Statehood Day. Governor highlights state development in last several years. Voice of People's Party launches party symbol at Smith Village. And hoardings of political parties removed following enforcement of Model Code of Conduct. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, thank you for watching and good night.